Welcome back to this channel. News headlines in English to speak in today's morning assembly means 10th of December. And first of all, national news. Amid Indigo crisis, aviation officials review situation at key airports. Shah Jahan return, Air India's Boeing 747 model greeted UNESCO. Keen to deepen ties with India in defense energy, US official. Investments will come soon. Gautam Adani in Dhanbad. Gautam Adani inaugurated vocational training for differently abled in Dhanbad. Microsoft, Intel, Cognizant tech CEOs met PM Modi over India expansion. Amid high pollution, Delhi banned coal firewood in all restaurant tandoors. Assam Air Force Station to hold air show to celebrate 54 years of 1971 war victory. 4 labor codes come into effect. Social security extended to all workers. And now international news. IMF approved additional $1.2 billion for Pakistan, citing economic progress. China executed ex-banker for taking over $156 million in bribe. Now sports news. Assam blind women cricketer Simuda's story moved PM Narendra Modi. Surya Kumar Yadav set clear demand from Team India despite 101 run win in first T20 international. South Africa slumped to their lowest ever T20 international total after Hardik Pandya stars in India's 101 run win. News related to business. Starlink executive clarified India pricing was a glitch, still awaiting launch approval. Sensex down, global jitters, rupee shock and foreign exits. High percentage of Indian professionals seek self-employment, a report said. And that's all in news. Thank you.